Welcome to Cool Kids. We are going to see how to build a successful business online. We need a business idea to earn money online. To earn online, you need to find the right skill. Once you have the right skill, you need to develop them and find the clients online. There are 3 main steps involved in this process. First, we need to select the skill set. It can be like Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. Second step, we need to develop them for the market requirement. Third and important step is to find the clients for your skill. We will talk about what skill to select and how we can learn and get more clients in this video. You can try to explore what are the different skills available in the market. Finding the right skill is the main reason for a successful business. One of the hot skills now is tutoring the kids online. When you start looking for tutoring, you will find Scratch programming the parents are interested in. We will see how to learn and earn using Scratch programming. Once you log into Scratch Online, you can save the file as Hello Program. You will find the work area and the script output where you can see the output. Here we have different sprites which we can select, and I am selecting the default sprite. First, we need to select the Events tab on this panel. Here you will find a green flag to start and a red button to stop the action. Select first when the green flag selected option. Now select the Looks option in the menu. You will find the Say Hello option. Now you can drag and drop this one. Now we go ahead and execute the program. Once you click the green flag, the sprite will say the hello. Next, we will see how we can animate the sprite. First, we need to select the motion menu, and we can drag and drop the number of steps to move. We can change the steps to 100 now. Go to Google and look for Teacheron. Click on the first link you get. Now you look for the Scratch programming. You will find various people looking out for tutors. You can see parents are looking for tutors for kids, and once you have learned the basic, you can start tutoring.